Honourable member for Edmonton Calder, followed by Fort Saskatchewan Vegreville.
Thanks, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the months after this government's broken promise budget have shown that the PCs cannot be trusted to stand up for public health care. They plotted to take $180 million out of seniors' drug coverage, making Alberta's seniors pay more for their prescriptions. They subjected home care recipients and their families to chaos by suddenly ending contracts with nonprofits and cooperatives in favour of huge for-profit providers who didn't and couldn't get the job done. And they have a new plan, Mr. Speaker, now to privatize lab services here in Edmonton to the tune of $3 billion. Shame. On all of these major, sudden and ill-conceived plans, the New Democrats have stood with Alberta families and stood up for public health care. In some cases, this PC government has been forced to back down. They've shelved restructuring the seniors' drug plan. They were forced to reverse as well some of the worst decisions in home care. And now, Mr. Speaker, they've created a confusing mess around their plan to privatize lab services. First, the CEO of Alberta Health Services said that they are putting the changes on hold so that they can consult. And then the health minister says they're going full steam ahead. One day the Premier says it isn't. The next day she is forced to admit that it is. Most importantly, they're misleading Albertans about the reasons for these changes, Mr. Speaker. The truth of the matter is this. This PC government has never stood up for public health care, and it never will. They stick firmly to their conservative agenda, which is to cut services and to privatize. They stand up for their wealthy donors and back the plans for the lobbyists who are pushing for privatization. It leaves the Alberta New Democrats and workers to stand up for better health care, and Alberta families can trust that we will always be there. Thank you.